Hello and welcome to Most Mindful Minutes. Today, you'll learn how to easily make your own raised garden beds for cheap. Raised garden beds can be very expensive and it can be hard to find the size of bed that fits your garden. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you, and let's begin. The materials you need for this project are untreated wood boards, a drill and deep screws, a wire mesh for the bottom of your bed, and optionally linseed oil and a paintbrush to treat your wood. The wood can be whatever size fits your garden, but I recommend going no bigger than 4 feet wide on one of the sides so you'll be able to water and weed the inside of your garden. My recommended wood purchase would be 4 2-inch by 12-inch by 4-foot boards of untreated wood. You can buy treated wood, but it's less healthy for the plants because of the chemicals in the wood preservative that get into the soil. If you want to stop your wood from eventually rotting, I recommend you buy linseed oil to treat your wood. For the wire mesh, get enough to cover the bottom of your raised bed. This mesh can stop burrowing pests from messing up your plants. You'll have the easiest time coating the wood after screwing together your beds. Your wood layout will look like this, with 2 screws each connecting the boards at both arrows. This setup will allow you to have plenty of room to grow any plant in your raised garden bed. Once you have wood to the dimensions you like and you're ready to screw the boards together, drill small holes in the wood where you want to place the screws so you can have an easier time getting the screws in place and so that they don't split the wood. Connect the boards with the screws as shown in the previous graphic and make sure that they are secure. Once you've connected the wood boards into the raised bed frame, you should treat the wood with the linseed oil. Again, this step isn't necessary, but it is good for the long-term use of the wooden frame. Make sure to coat the inside of the bed very carefully, as that's the side that will be in contact with the wet soil. Let the linseed oil dry for a few minutes and place the wire mesh underneath the garden bed to act as a layer between the ground and where you'll have your soil. Once you've put the mesh underneath the bed, you are ready to put soil in and start gardening. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Remember, be the good you want to see in the world. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.